Alright, YouTube comment. We'll shout out to my girl and shout out to this dude for telling me to rinse this off. That way when it rains, it don't get on my soul and I'm just walking around with dye everywhere. So shout out to you, homie. I appreciate you. We're probably gonna do like a corner and see how that goes and then go from there, so. Okay, so even with me rubbing, it's not coming off. That's all I'm worried about is if it comes off. That's all I care about.
I rinse it a lot.
Yeah. Alright, so good news and bad news. Good news is I got a lot of the dye out. The bad news is it's you might not be able to properly see it right now, but like, see, it's like this color right there. It's like green. Now you guys can really see what I mean. You see that? Oh my god. Like, I can care what that's about. What is going on? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Champ. You already know what time it is, man. By the title, you can see what we're kind of dealing with. So let me give you a little bit of backstory really quick before we continue on. So I was scrolling through YouTube and I found this video that popped up conveniently after I got another comment, which I'll show you in a second, telling me that I shouldn't have used a wrist dye, and there's a reason why. Now, I don't have the container with me, but apparently the carpet material that's used in these BMWs is like a synthetic something like that, BS, whatever. And basically the wrist dye that I had was not the proper one to use. And so basically I'm gonna show you guys my carpet because you're gonna be shocked. Yeah, so I talked about this, I think I talked about this in the last video. The camera might be not picking it up properly, but this thing is green, bro. It's green. It's crazy because I'm looking at it through the little thing. The camera's not picking it up at all. It's green. See if I can get a better angle. You can see it right there. Look at that. It's green. So what does that mean? Basically my carpet is messed up. It's ruined. But I did find a solution. Again, I watched this guy's video talking about why you shouldn't use it, and he showed me a solution to what he did use to fix the situation. So let me grab that really quick. This is the solution. This is vinyl and fabric. This is literally just flexible, all black, completely black. I'm just gonna start with this one, and if it works out, I'll go to the store and get some more. But in just today's video, we're just gonna try and do one and see how it turns out. So let me go grab it real quick and I'll be right back. Alright boys, here we are. It definitely looks a lot better. You can even see the difference between them right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna let it sit here in the sun for a little bit. Damn, flashbang, sorry. We'll come back out in a few hours just to see what we're looking like. I'll do like a rub test after it dries up. So give it a few hours, let it sit, and then we'll come right back from this.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Champ. You already know. Make sure that you guys go ahead and drop that like. So just, click right there. That's all you gotta do. And then scroll all on over here, hit the subscribe, and make sure I hit the notification bell. Click on all so you get all the notifications. Let's get back to the video. I love y'all. We out.
Alright, now honestly, I do not recommend anyone doing this. I'm just doing this because I don't got any other car to drive right now. Amanda's car is getting serviced, and yeah, you get the point. One crazy part about all this is the fact that I have a place to like sit the camera into. What I'm doing is definitely 100% not safe, but I've been driving this car long enough that I know what needs to be done, how fast I need to go. I mean, literally everything. I know it all. I have to run to the store real quick to pick up a few things. And yes, we will be putting them all in today. Oh my God, I missed this car. car, bro. Parts everywhere, vacuums. I mean, I'm literally sitting in a half bolted in chair. Like, this might be just the stupidest thing I've ever done. Cannot stress to y'all how terrible this is. Like, I really shouldn't be doing this. There's no turn signals. I have no way of washing or wiping my windshield. So when I need to get over, I literally just have to get over. Like, this is such a bad idea. Oh my God. But it's okay. We're gonna pick this up once we get back to the house. So we'll be right back. All right, so it's actually been a few days since I sprayed this, and it actually looks really good. I mean, you can't even tell how much of a difference it is. The only complaint I have is the fact that it's like hard now. Other spots like right here in the middle are like hard. As you can see, nothing's like rubbing off on it. And for my shoes, nothing there as well. So we're good, man. The spray stuff works really well. So we're gonna start doing this one, and then I have to take out the one here in the car. Just cause I put it in temporarily just cause I wanted to see how it looked. It looks good, even though it's like grayish green. But because of it being like in the car, like down underneath, you can't really tell. But I still would rather have them all be like nice and black like that one over there. So we're gonna do the big one first, and then we're gonna take this one out and do this one as well. So let's get to it.
Hey, guess you always cooking up.
Alright, so we're all done with this one. It's looking good. I'm not seeing any spots. So yeah, it looks good. We're gonna take out the one from the car and do that one next. But so far so good. Let's keep it going, man. Let's keep it going. S&D, we are all done now. So I'm gonna let this one sit out in the sun like that last one did, like this one over here, and we'll come back in a few minutes just to see the full results. Other than that, man, I'm excited. It looks good. All right, so it's been a few hours. I wanted just to kind of let them sit out in the sun so that way they can like kind of cook, dry up fully properly and everything. I honestly probably didn't have to do a few hours, but I ended up laying down and falling asleep. So let's go out. We're gonna start putting them back into the car and just see how everything looks, man. I'm excited. Let's get to it. Oh man, yeah, they look amazing. They're all good to go now. I'm gonna vacuum them and stuff like that, and then we're gonna start sliding them into the car. I'm gonna do the big one first because the small ones kind of rest on top of it. So big one, and I gotta clean it back out too. So. Forgot I had to take the seat back out in order to get this in there. Man, it looks so good. There's no way. Oh my God. And see, like all of this right here, it will be covered up by the dash because the dash comes down and it covers up all of that, and it comes over here so you won't see any of this either too. That's why I wasn't too worried about the edges that much, but oh my God. There is no way. Oh good. All right, man, so we're good to go. I'm not doing this side just yet, only because when I was trying to take my the pedal out from my seat, I ended up breaking it off. So I have a new one on order. It's on its way. Once that gets here though, that's when I'll finally slide this piece in. But the other side looks really good. I put all my parts back in here because we're just about done for this video. All right, so what happens now? So now that we have the carpet finally in, we have two big things we need to do as well. The dash. I need to get the dash back in, but first we have to paint it. That's gonna be in the next video. We're gonna be taking the dash, painting it black and red. That's the color scheme we're going for. We're gonna do the back panels as well, and we're gonna do the little side panels that kind of hold the carpet down. That was gonna be kind of fun to do, especially because of all the cords and stuff like that. I gotta make sure nothing's being put up underneath everything, and then I have to screw it all back. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Your boy is going hard. We're going hard with this build. I can't wait to show you guys what's next. Like always, till next time, we out.